How to fix Instagram login error. Please wait a few minutes on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix login error on Instagram. And first just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again. Now click Instagram, and now all you need to do is just go to permissions. You need to allow all of those. You will find it here. You will find it here. Just click on it and click allow, and then just go back and go to storage, clear cache, and then now just go back and try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and click force stop, and then storage and clear data. Click on it and click OK, and go to data usage and enable this one, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Maybe we will find it like that. Just enable it, and then here we'll find and then just restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.